Hi students, class 10 chapter 1 exercise number 1.1 question number 1 find A cross B and A cross A and B cross A, right? First the set element, first one Roman number A is given as 2 minus 2 3 2 minus 2 and then 3 and B is given as 1 minus 4. First you have to find out A into B, A into A and B into A. Let's check one by one solution. Suppose it is A Cartesian product of B is equal to, see that A, what are the set A? Let me draw like this. It is very useful to write the sets easily. 3, that is set A. The set B is 1 and minus 4. Now the Cartesian product means in the first set each element is mapping with the second set element, right? So the ordered pair is 2 comma 1 and then 2 comma minus 4, and then second one is minus 2 comma 1 and then minus 2 comma minus 4, and then third one is 3 comma 1 and then 3 comma minus 4. This is A cross B or A into B, right? Next we have to find out what is A into A. The set A is Cartesian product of A. Both sets are A. Here I write the set A. 2 minus 2 3. Here also the set A minus 2 3. A B. C the first set mapping, right? So 2 comma 2, 2 comma minus 2 and then 2 comma 3, and then you have to select this number minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2 and then minus 2 comma minus 3. So last one is 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2 and then 3 comma 3. This is A cross A. Finally we have to find out what is B into A. Now B set into A set. The B set elements are 1 and minus 4, and then A set's elements are 2 minus 2 3. This is B, this is A. Now Cartesian product of these two is 1 is mapping with 2 1 comma 2, and 1 is mapping with minus 2 1 comma minus 2, and then 1 is mapping with 3 1 comma 3, and then minus 4 is mapping with 2, and then minus 4 is mapping with minus 2, and then minus 4 is mapping with 3. This is A cross B. So the first Roman number we have completed, A into A and A into A, A into B, A into A and B into A. Next we see the second Roman number. See the second Roman number, A is equal to B, right? Both the set A and B are the same. Let me take it as A is equal to P comma Q, and then B set is equal to P comma Q. Now we have to find out A into B and B into A into A. By the condition we know that A into B is equal to B into A means both the set A and B are equal, right? So A into B I am going to find first. So P is mapping with P and P is mapping with Q, P comma Q. If you understand to write like this, or otherwise just write the terms, it is very easy to write out P, Q, P, Q. This is A, this is B. P and P, P and Q. Next one, Q and P. The last one is Q comma Q. That is A into B. By the condition, we know that the set A and B are equal means, then we can say A into B is equal to B into A. Now here I am writing B into A is equal to the same set as it is P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, and then Q comma Q. So next we have to find out what is A cross A. So what about the A cross A? A is mapping with the A means only 2. Again it will be repeated, right? So A, P, Q, again A is P, Q. So P is mapping with P, P is mapping with Q. This is A into A. So the terms did not change as it is, we get the same answer. So when the sets are equal, then A into A or B into B or A into B or B into A, all the terms, all the Cartesian products must be equal. So this is the Roman number 2 answer. Next we see the Roman number 3. See, the Roman number 3 is given as the set A is equal to M and N. The set B is equal to pi. By the condition, we know that when the two set is given means when we have to find the Cartesian product means that two set should be non-empty, then only we can find out. Here one of the set is empty means then A cross B is equal to, that is M comma N into pi is equal to pi, right? And then B cross A is equal to, that is pi into M comma N is also a pi set. Surely the two sets should be non-empty. One of the set is empty means then we get the result as a empty. Then A cross A is equal to, see here M comma N is product of M comma N. So M is mapping with M and M is mapping with N, M comma N, and then N is mapping with M and then N is mapping with N. This is A cross A. Or otherwise you just write this like this, M, N, that is A cross A. Now we can easily write the relations of Cartesian product of A into A. So this is the third Roman numbers answer. Thank you students. Student, class 10, exercise number 1.1, question number 2. Let A is the set given as 1, 2, 3 and B is the set given in the set builder form, that is X such that X is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. Let's see the solution. First we have to find out what is the set B. 1, 2, 3 is the set A and set B is equal to, whatever the set B less than prime number less than 10 means 2 is the prime number, 3, 5 and then 7. These are the prime number less than 10. Now we have to find out what is A cross B. A Cartesian B means this is the set A and this is the set B. So by using the arrow diagram we can easily able to write the Cartesian product form, right? So this is the arrow diagram. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5 and then 1, 7. And then second element 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 and then 2, 7. And then third element is 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and then 3, 7. This is A cross B. Now we have to find out what is B cross A. Just interchange the sets. First B set and then next A set. The B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. The A set is 1, 2, 3. This is B, this is A, right? So the first set element should be written in the first in order form, right? So 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. This is the form. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, right? And then 5, 1, 5, 2 and then 5, 3 and then 7, 1, 7, 2 and then 7, 3. This is B cross A. So A cross B, we have to put the A set first and then set of B element should be in the second, and then B cross A means B element must be A first and then set A should be in the second element. This is A cross B and B cross A. Next, question number 3. If B cross A is given as the set ordered form, find the value of A and find the set of A and B. Solution. We know that the B set is first means the first element or belongs to B and then second elements or belongs to A. So the B elements belongs to that. The first set element is B, second set element is A. This is B, this is A. So this is B, this is A, and then B, A, like this, right? So now we have to write it. What is the set of A? A is here, 3, here, 4, here 3 you cannot be repeatedly written in the set order form, right? So, and then 4, again 3, again 4, right? So the element of the set A is 3, 4. What are the element of set B is -2, again -2 you cannot be right, and then 0, again 3. So the repeated element should not be allowed in the set. So set A is equal to 3, 4 and set B is equal to -2, 0, 3. This is the answer for this question. Now question number 4. If A is equal to 5, 6, B is given as 4, 5, 6 and C is given as 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection of C cross C. We have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. First we select the LHS side, that is A cross A. If you have the A cross A means A is Cartesian product of another A set. The A is given as 5, 6, 5, 6, right? Both A. Now using the arrow diagram we can be able to write the ordered pair, that is 5, 6 and then 5, 5, and then 5, 6 and then 6, 5 and then 6, 6. This is A cross A, right? 5 is mapping with 5 and 5 is mapping with 6, 6 is mapping with 5 and 6 is mapping with 6. So this is the product form, Cartesian product form. Next, let I take this equation number 1. Let me take it as second equation, that is B cross A, B cross B, RHS side. So the set of order B is 4, 5, 6, again 4, 5, 6, right? 4 is mapping with 4, 5, 6, right? The ordered pair is 4, 5, 4, 4, 5 and then 4, 6 and then 5, 4, 5, 5 and then 5, 6 and then last one, that is 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and then 6, 6. This is B cross B. Now we have to write out what is C cross C. C element is given as 5, 6, 7. Now we draw an arrow diagram like this, C cross C, that is 5, 6, 7, here also 5, 6, 7. So the 5 is mapping with 5, 5 is mapping with 6 and the 5 is mapping with 7 as well. Then 6 and 7 also the same form, right? 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7 and then 7, 5, 7, 6 and then 7, 7. If you have any confusion, if you have forgotten any numbers means, you just count the terms. Here we have B, right? B cross B, 3 elements, 3 into 3 is 9. Just count it. If it is 9 set order pair means your answer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer B, B is correct. Now we have to count out the C. C also we have the 3. 3 by 3 is 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the set order 9 will be, we have written. Next we have to find out what is B into B, B Cartesian B, intersection of C Cartesian C. We have to find out the common elements in between this. First I choose that B set, B into B. Here I check it, 4 into 4 is here, no. And then 4, 5 is not there. And then 4, 6 also not there. And then 5, 4 is also not there. By 5, 5 is here also there. So common term 5, 5, 5, 6. And then 6, 4. 6, 4 is not here. And then 6, 5 is not here. 6, 5 is here. And then 6, 6 also here. Common elements, right? And then we don't want to check any other numbers because we have to select the first set. The first set elements is appeared here means you just write it. So now I take the equation number 2. Now compare the first and second equation, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and then 6, 6. So the first and second equations are equal by that condition A cross A. By the condition A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection of C cross C, hence proved. Thank you, students.